I want to break free from my life out here and move to Canada forever.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is IRC News, and I'm Joey Stephen, an authorized Canadian immigration practitioner, bringing out this data analysis on the number of applicants approved for Canadian permanent residents, NOC code 94132, industrial sewing machine operators for 6 years, 2017 to 2022, for the province of Newfoundland. Today is the 27th of August, 2023. To you from the Polinsys studios in Cambridge, Ontario. The Atlantic Province of Newfoundland accepted nobody in this NOC code in 2017, 18, 19, 20, and 17, 18, one in 2019, nobody in 2020 and 21, and one permanent residents in 2022. We are discussing Canadian permanent residence figures for NOC code 94132, industrial sewing machine operators for the province of Newfoundland. The total for 6 years until 2022 was 2 permanent residents. Now, if you have experience in NOC code 94132 and you hold the job title of a industrial sewing machine operator and you are interested in learning about the process of participating in Canadian federal or provincial immigration program for the specific NOC code, or if you require assistance after being selected, we encourage you to reach out to us, myar.me/contact-us. Our team will be pleased to assist you in navigating the immigration process professionally. PNPs contribute to the highest number of selected applicants, and targeting PNPs and employer-driven programs contribute towards the highest growth among permanent residence immigration program for skilled workers. AIP and RNIP are employer-driven programs. Actual application numbers are released in a separate video. This AIPP analysis video is brought to you by IRC News. Please subscribe to this channel for more Canadian job opportunities, data analysis, and immigration news. If you want to become a Canadian permanent resident, you can learn more by attending the free online YouTube videos, the links of which are now posted on your screen, polinsys.com/p. Your Canadian authorized representative also conducts a free weekly Q&A session every week on Fridays. For time and Zoom meeting credentials, please visit this website, or which you can see on your screen, myar.me. Please follow guidance from the Canadian government about who can charge fees for Canadian immigration services. The redirect link which you can see on your screen now, polinsys.co/rep, will lead you there. If you want to obtain a free multiple approaches Canadian PR evaluation directly from a Canadian authorized representative, then myar.me/evaluationxx can assist you. Also, feel free to visit our social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. From all of us at IRC News, and especially from your Polinsys team, we thank you for watching. If you like this news, please like this video. And if you want to receive notifications about more Canadian job positions, then please subscribe to this channel.
But life still goes on. I want some help, Polinsys, Polinsys, Polinsys by my side. Canada. Got to make it on my